Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 4th of October, Monday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I analyze today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel, and let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD and Pound Dollar. If you look at the Euro USD in 4-hour chart, as mentioned in my previous analysis, if you haven't seen, video link is also given in the video description. We were long from hit this level as we see this price develop, a bearish engulfing candle pattern, and price broke on this previous high. We were long, and today we were also looking for this breakout, which price nicely broken, and we were long and bank beautiful pips. Right now, what I can see here right now, if you look at here, price is developing it inverted head and shoulder pattern. So tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to respect this one, then possibility of long. If the break, then we're taking a short trade here. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share the today's analysis, how I analyze market and bank beautiful pips. As you can see here, today we have this London morning session analysis, and that's what I explained to my trader. We were looking at this breakout, as you can see, in an intraday based on the momentum, beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the Bollinger Band and bank beautiful pips. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for another pullback. As you can see here, price is developing it another pullback, which is we are looking for a long trade here at this level. As you can see here, based on this analysis are still valid, as you can see here, but we have finished our trading day. We'll let you know tomorrow how the market is going to perform. Let's dig into the pound dollar. And pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trade. As you can see here, from yesterday, from last week Friday, we were long. If you haven't seen the video, link is given in the video description. So we were expecting today, and I explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this previous high, which is broken previously on Friday, then we're taking a short, otherwise possibility of breakout. As you can see here, we have another symmetric triangle pattern. We had such a beautiful breakout long trade here as soon as the price hit this level, which you can see here, price respected previously, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and refine my entries and exit. And if you look at the this morning, we have this consolidation, as you can see here, based on the 4-hour. When in intraday, this is the pattern developed based on the momentum. We have this beautiful breakout. As always, when the price break the major structure, we explain to my trader, just keep taking pullbacks. As you can see, and our intraday system is interesting and fantastic, give us alerts on every pullback. As you can see here, we had beautiful pullback 1 and 2 after the breakout. As soon as the price hit to the final target, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. And at the New York session, we have another beautiful, as always, once the target hit based on the momentum, explain to my trader, look for first priority is always be pullback long, because the price was at the major resistance level and we were expecting possibility of reversal. But as long as the momentum is bullish, our first priority would be always be towards the momentum and the trend. As you can see here, price nicely broken previous high. As you can see here, after the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback long trade here and bank another few more pips on pound dollar. So today we were long on pound dollar, bank beautiful pips. We'll see tomorrow if the price is going to respect. There might be a counter share opportunity. Otherwise, we are intraday traders, so we're looking here trades towards the momentum and trend. And tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to break. We have another level which is previously respected, broken, did no retest. So if the price is going to break, then we're going to be taking a pullback long here. Otherwise, pullback short trade here. That's going to give us the confirmation. We'll let you know tomorrow about this analysis, and let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had such a beautiful breakout. And this morning we have this bearish engulfing candle, and afterwards you can see here we have another bullish rejection. Price came back, and afterwards bearish engulfing candle and short trade here. So whole day we were short, As you can see here, price broken in, you know, a symmetric triangle pattern in 4-hour. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Today was the first trading day of the week, but we managed beautiful pips, and let me share with you the. Okay, so if you look at, let me make it so, if you look at the dollar CAD at this level, so we have this triangle pattern developed. Based on that, as you can see here in 4-hour also, the price broken, and after the breakout, look at the bottom, momentum was bearish and sentiment was bearish, as you can see in 4-hour, and that's what I explained to my trader. Breakout, pullback, just keep banking pips. So we had amazing trades, short trades on dollar CAD. This was the analysis we made just before London Open for the London morning session analysis. At the New York session, I explained to my trader, just keep looking at pullbacks as explained, and also breakout if the price is going to break this channel. You can see here price nicely broken and beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the first target, that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying profit. So we had such a beautiful short trade on dollar CAD. As you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the resistance support level, and that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. You can see guys, we had amazing trades. Long on EURUSD, long on pound dollar, short on dollar CAD. Beautiful. We have amazing, beautiful trades on pound yen too. And let me share with you the pound yen quickly. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have this breakout. This morning, we have a long, keep taking a pullback long here. As soon as the price hit this level, we taken a short trade here and we keep enjoying short trade too. Let me share with you guys how I analyze both long and short. Being an intraday, we managed beautiful pips. If you look at the intraday analysis, we had such amazing trades on pound yen. Okay, so this is the analysis in the morning. We have this breakout in 4-hour, and after the breakout, we announce all these pullbacks through live audio commentary. System also generate alerts. We explain to my trader, major structure is broken, so just keep taking a one breakout, pullback, 1, 2, 3. Keep enjoying. Most of the traders bank 100+ pips today, guys. Keep taking pullbacks, scaling trade, enjoying it. All right, so at the New York session, we have another, as explained to my trader, most of the trader was expecting price might going to respect this 200 EMA. I say, guys, we're going to trade what we see it. So we have another beautiful, based on the momentum, beautiful breakout, long trade. As soon as the price hit to the first target, that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying profit. Once we bank some profit, and I said to my trader, let's wait for the market to develop another pattern. As you can see here, in previous analysis, this is the level when I banked some profit here, and price came back here, and that's what I explained to my trader, look, price could not maintain this level, which is broken, you can see here, and this technically price should respect and develop a pullback, which price didn't. But we need confirmation if the price want to come down, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. If the price is going to break, which is basically technically price broken and breakout after retest, then we're going to be taking a short trade here, and then we're going to keep confirm that the price is respecting 200 EMA, then we're going to keep taking a pullback. We have one breakout, look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, developed. We have another pullback which we announced, and 200 EMA was the first target. Beautiful, price nicely hit to the profit target. You can see here in intraday, we are long in the London morning session, banking some profit. And the New York session in the beginning, we were long. As soon as the profit target hit, then we were taking a short trade in intraday. As you can see here, most of the traders bank amazing profit, 100+ pips today. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And the most important thing is developing your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis alongside with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill, and if you produce consistency result through this virtual platform, I can also help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I train and coach my traders with the live market in real time, how I help them to get funded from platforms, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. myself or one of my professional team member will help you and explain to you how you can become a successful trader and get funded. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so feel free guys. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, enjoying my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.